Hello. So I'm hanging out with a tree again today, which is helping to ground me and center me and give me energy and prana, like we talked about in another video. So I got a request. From a friend who asked, what do you do when you are sort of in a frantic state? What do you do when there's so much going around you and so many things to do? Like, how can you get balanced and how can you get centered? So one of the best things to do is earthing or grounding, which is just sitting on the earth. That really, it balances your electromagnetic field, it connects it with the electromagnetic field of the earth, and also it is a natural anti-inflammatory. There's so many benefits to this. So being in nature. But there's something else. So often when we have so much going on, hi Kelly Black, when we have so much going on, we think that we need to do more, right? Because we're overwhelmed. We have all this to-do list. The thing is, often when we're in that state, we need to do less and be more. So we need to do less and be more, because the being state is super duper productive. We think, we've been taught that only the doing state is where things are accomplished. But the being state is incredibly important. When you're in the being state, and by that I mean setting everything aside, whether it's your meditation practice, whether it's your mindfulness, whether it's just being present, noticing the colors and the sounds and everything around you, the beauty around you. When we are in that being state, we open up to inspiration. We open up our intuition. We open up to ideas and possibilities and solutions that we could never get to in the doing state. So I'll give you an example. I was launching this program and it felt like something was missing, and so I was going to call my friend and we were going to just talk for a couple hours and brainstorm together. And I just got this message like, no, just be quiet, just like sit down. So I did that, and within of just being open and quiet and listening, I received a really powerful message about this program I was going to launch. And it was the key. It was like the key that I needed, the thing I knew was missing. And so that came directly through my meditation practice, that came directly through inspiration, and connecting with my intuition. And it saved me so much time. Maybe my friend and I would have gotten to that place. Who knows? Maybe we would have gotten to that with our brainstorming session. But I have a feeling that even if that idea had come up, I wouldn't have trusted it as much, because it didn't feel like it directly came into me and through that being state. So really taking time in your schedule and in your life to be in the being state, just being present, enjoying everything, not the do, go state, is going to balance you and ground you. And I know that's a big shift, right? Especially when we have this huge to-do list, especially when we feel overwhelmed. I have those times as well. It's like, I just got to check things off the list. But if you can make it your priority to go into the being state first, your doing time will be so much more productive. All right, gotta make this one short today. Gotta get my little ones getting out of school early. So have a great day, guys. Oh, and today is a full moon. So let me just talk about that for a second. The energies of the full moon, it's really a potent time to release anything that feels like you're ready to let go of in your life. It's like the energies around us help make that a really ripe time to let go. So one of my favorite practices with the full moon is just to write down anything that I'm done with, that I'm sick of, that I'm over in my life, that just doesn't align anymore. Even if I loved it a year ago or 2 years ago, it's just not in alignment anymore. and then I burn it and I just let it go. So that's a little practice that you guys can do on your own if that resonates with you.